Next question. If 1, 2, 4y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So I have drawn a parallelogram. What's the specialty of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. So 1, 2, 4y, x, 6, 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. It is very important, taken in order. What's the name of this parallelogram? Either I can say A, B, C, D. Otherwise B, C, D, A. Otherwise C, D, A, B. Otherwise D, A, B, C. Can I name this parallelogram as A, C, B, D? No. Okay. Similarly, I cannot name the parallelogram as B, C, A, D. That is the reason why it is clearly mentioned that it must be in order. So I am starting with the first vertices as A, 1, 2. You can take it as B or C or D. But it must be in order. If you are taking it B, B, C, D, A must be the order. Okay. Second vertex I am taking as B, which is 4y. Third vertex I am taking as x, 6. And the fourth vertex I am taking as 3, 5. What is the question? We have to find this, the value of x and the y. X is the x coordinate of C and y is the y coordinate of B. Okay. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, that we know. There we can apply the distance formula and find the value. But easiest way is, there is a specialty for the diagonals of a parallelogram. What's the specialty? Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. So if I am taking the bisecting point as O, AO will be equal to CO. Same way, BO will be equal to DO. Okay, so what you have to do is consider this as the line segment, AC as the line segment, O as the point which divides the line segment AC. Consider AC as the line segment, O as the point which divides AC. So if I am drawing it again, A is a vertex given as 1, 2, C is a vertex given as x, 6 and O is the point which divides AC. Okay, and we have to find the coordinate of O. And we know the ratio, since O is the midpoint, it bisects the diagonals, bisect each other, means O is the midpoint of AC, isn't it? That means the ratio will be 1:1. O is the midpoint of AC means without using the section formula, otherwise by substituting the value of m and n as 1, we got the formula to find the ratios when it is the midpoint. To remember the formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the midpoint of AC by using which one? Section formula. There x1, y1 will be equal to 1, 2, x2, y2 will be equal to x, 6, m is to n is equal to 1:1. No need of taking the ratio, still I took the ratio. So xy will be equal to, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we are getting 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6, 8 by 2. That is, we are getting 1 plus x by 2, 4. Let it be there. Okay. Again, what I am going to do next is, now what we are going to do is, we will take the diagonal BD. O is the midpoint of BD also, isn't it? So we will take x1, y1 as 4y, x2, y2 as 3, 5 and O is the midpoint of BD. We will take the ratio m is to n as 1:1. Okay, so we are now calculating the midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD is also O still. So x will be, x formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Is equal to x1 plus x2 will be 4 plus 3, 7 by 2, y1 plus y2 is y plus 5, y plus 5 by 2. Okay, again, midpoint of AC, from the figure it is clear that is O. So that midpoint of AC is O, midpoint of BD is also O. Therefore, midpoint of AC must be equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC we got as 1 plus x by 2, 4 is equal to midpoint of BD we got as 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So this ordered pair or this coordinate is equal to this coordinate implies the first coordinate, x coordinates must be equal and also y coordinate must be equal. So if I compare the x coordinate, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, and also 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. So these two get cancelled because it is in the denominator. So 1 plus x is equal to 7, and you are getting the value of x as 6. And here, if I multiply 4 with the 2, 8 is equal to y plus 5 will be the equation. That is y plus 5 is equal to 8, which gives you the value of y as 8 minus 5, 3. The question was to find the value of x and y. Therefore, at last you have tried x equal to 6 and y is equal to 3.